Right, so defects like root ingress into your drains, cracked pipes, displaced joints, all of these sort of issues can cause a lot of problems with damp and structural problems like subsidence. So sometimes these could be under a really nice drive, like a block paved drive, or actually under your house. And it's going to be very expensive or practically not convenient to actually dig all this up. So there are other ways of doing it. Coming up here, what you can actually see is a displaced joint. This is actually going off to a culvert, but all of that water, or a lot of it, was actually not getting into the culvert and it's saturating the ground. We can test the drains with dye here and you can see it's actually coming into the property. But what you're going to need is you're going to need some jetting equipment. You can see here the drain is being jetted, all clean now. You've got a camera and we're actually now spinning some chain. We're going to be spinning some chains through there to clean all the drains. And here we have the packer. We're going to put some resin in there. We're going to spread it all around evenly. Once that's spread around evenly, it then goes onto the packer, and that is going to form the drain liner. Here it is in the drain and it's pumped up to pressure, and here it is cured, covering over all of the cracks and giving a long-term repair to stop any damp or structural problems within the property. Thanks for watching.